Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the chopping block is P0452 Evaporative Emission Control System Pressure Sensor Low Input. That's a mouthful, but don't worry, we'll decipher it and get your car running smoothly again. The P0452 code means that your car's computer has detected a problem with the Evap system. This system is designed to capture and prevent unburned fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It does this by storing fuel vapors in a charcoal canister and then purging them into the engine to be burned during normal operation. Check engine light. The most obvious sign will be the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. Fuel odor. You might notice a stronger fuel smell due to the Evap system not properly capturing fuel vapors. Difficulty starting. In some cases, a faulty Evap system can lead to issues with starting your vehicle. Visual inspection. Start with a visual inspection of the Evap system. Check for any obvious signs of damage to the hoses or wiring that could be affecting the pressure sensor's performance. Check the gas cap. A loose or damaged gas cap can cause issues with the Evap system's pressure, so ensure it's tightened or replace it if necessary. Use an OBD-II scanner. Connect an OBD-II scanner to your vehicle to confirm the P0452 code and check for any other related codes that could help pinpoint the issue. Smoke test. A smoke test can help identify leaks in the Evap system. Introducing smoke into the system and looking for where it escapes can pinpoint holes or cracks in hoses. If your P0452 code is due to a sticky gas cap latch mechanism, a very small spray of WD-40 around the hinge can help loosen it up. Just be sure to wipe away any excess so it doesn't attract dirt. Replace the gas cap. If the gas cap was the culprit, replacing it is a simple and inexpensive fix. Repair or replace damaged hoses. Any identified leaks in the Evap system. Hoses should be repaired or replaced. Replace the fuel tank pressure sensor. If the sensor is found to be faulty, replacing it will be necessary. This is generally not a DIY job for beginners as it can require specific tools and knowledge. Reset the check engine light. After the repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0452 code and reset the check engine light. If the repair was successful, the light should stay off. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose the problem and get your Evap system back in check. Conclusion. While the P0452 error code can be daunting, understanding the potential causes and steps to diagnose the issue can make it manageable. Always start with the simplest solutions, like checking the gas cap before moving on to more complex diagnostics. If you're ever unsure, consult with a professional mechanic to avoid causing further damage to your vehicle. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully, this video equipped you to tackle that P0452 code. If you have any questions or fix-it tips to share, leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care know-how. See you next time.